Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Max Triangles exercise 6.4 question number 3. Let's see the question in the figure. There is one figure here, a trapezium. It is like a trapezium. ABCD and they intersect at O. Now the given is in the figure ABC and DBC are two triangles. This is one triangle and this is one triangle on the same base BC. So the two triangles are on the same base BC. AO intersect AD intersects BC at O. So they both intersect at O. We need to show the triangle ABC. This triangle by this triangle is equal to AO by DO. So area of the triangle ABC by area of a triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. We can't prove anything because the two triangles, they are not the similar sides. So we can't take the triangle AO by DO. For that we are going to do one construction. We are going to construct one perpendicular from A as well as one perpendicular from D. Let me take this to be E and F. So for construction I am going to take AE is perpendicular to BC. Similarly FD is perpendicular to BC. Now in the given two triangles of triangle ABC and DBC on same base BC. To prove is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC equal to AO by DO. Now taking this two triangle, I am going to take these two triangles and going to prove the two triangles are similar, so that we can say that this corresponding sides will come, AO and DO will come. For that, taking two triangles AEO and in triangle AEO and DFO, I am taking these two triangles. I am going to prove these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. We know that this is 90 degree according to our construction, and we know that these two are vertically opposite angle. It is in the angle of X, so it is vertically opposite angles, so they are equal. So angle E is equal to angle F is equal to 90 degree. Same way AOE is equal to DOF is equal because of vertically opposite angles. Now we can say the two triangles are similar because of we have proved two angles are equal. So triangle AEO is similar to triangle DFO because we have proved that two angles are similar. Now we can say we can take the proportional sides, that is AE by DF is equal to AO by DO is equal to EO by FO. First two by first two is equal to last two by last two is equal to first and last by first and last. These are corresponding parts of similar triangles. Now we will take the what is given. We want a perpendicular, and the perpendicular is there. For in a triangle ABC, we want a height. We have a height of AE. We can say that we now will take the triangle ABC by the triangle DBC. We know the triangle area of a triangle formula is half into base into height. Half into base is the same base of BC. Height here is AE. Similarly for triangle DBC, half same base BC. Height here is in this triangle, the height of the part is DF. We can cancel this 2, we can cancel this 2 because half of the same BC is same. Instead of AE by DF, we want AO by DO. We know that this is equal to this, so we can directly substitute. Instead of AO by DF, we can directly write AO by DO from 1. So we have proved that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC, this is equal to AO by DO. Hence proved. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.